Let's take a look at the Lego Ninjago Wolf Mask Dojo. So this is a super complex Lego set. As you can see here, it's huge, it's detailed, it's intricate. It has this crazy wolf on the front holding something in its mouth. There's this floating effect of a clear Lego that makes this little like Eye of Sauron thing float above the Ninjago temple. We've got decals on there. There's even a little arena on the side here. We've got minifigs fighting with katanas and that kind of stuff. We've got all these different pieces to this dojo. And believe it or not, my 7-year-old actually put this together basically entirely on his own. I didn't even have to intervene. It took him about 2 weeks, I would say, to assemble this. He's very good at Legos, but the typical age range for this is 9+. So it's about, I think, around 1,100 pieces. It's obviously huge and complex, but the instructions are very straightforward. Like, you just follow it, you put them together. It's standard Legos. It's not like the mini ones or Technics or anything. And it's a really beautiful result. And this thing is awesome. We've got it up on a high shelf here. I'll include a link to the specific product on Amazon down there if you want to check it out in the description. An affiliate link if you want to click through and check the current price, make sure you're getting the exact set. Also check the sales link in there. It's a really fun, awesome set, perfect gift. Again, I'd say more for that like 9+ age range, unless your kid's like mine and is just fantastic at Legos.